To everyone, all the guys and the participants across the country. At the outset, I am very thankful to the Atal for sponsoring this 5-day workshop on artificial intelligence, algorithms and applications. In this workshop, more than 140 participants across the country are participating and around 14 eminent faculties from the IITs, NITs and well-known that allied universities are delivering their research experience and sharing with all of us. As a coordinator, it is my bound duty to tell something about this course. And intelligent systems can be developed with the rigid mathematical models such as time series analysis and multiple regression analysis. Soft computing techniques such as neural networks, fuzzy logic, machine learning, and deep learning can solve many problems in an intelligent way. The ability to effectively propagate one's thoughts and feelings while understanding others' expression may be considered as exhibiting intelligence in an ordered way. So AI can be used in areas such as psychology, biology, electrical engineering, etc. The goal of this AI is the creation of artificial facts that can emulate humans in the ability to reason and symbolically in all that AI domains, such as planning, natural language understanding, diagnosis, and image processing, and so on. So I will not take much of this the time. Now I thank once again our management, our principal, and our department, and particularly the Atal ASAP for sponsoring to conduct this 5 days workshop. Thanks, one and all.
Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So today, actually, this is just actually this is brief keynote speech just for 10-15 minutes. So actually the topic of this talk is patient-specific epileptic seizure detection system. So recently we have done some work which is based on the signal processing machine learning algorithms for automated detection of epileptic seizures. So we will see this proposed method in this talk, how it works. So actually this human brain is a highly complicated and nonlinear system. And this electroencephalogram, this is also known as EEG signals, which measure electrical activity of the brain, which is generated by these neurons. And this epileptic seizures, this is also known as epilepsy, which is the result of transient and unexpected electrical disturbance of the brain. And epilepsy, actually, this disease affects around 2% population of the world. And generally, we use EEG signals for diagnosis of this disease. And actually, we have proposed empirical wavelet transform-based approach for patient-specific epileptic seizure detection, which is based on the surface EEG signals. So there are actually two types of EEG signals based on the recording. One is recorded from the surface, that is non-invasive in nature, and that is a surface EEG recording system recording signals. Another one is actually they are invasive EEG recording systems. So they are they are recorded from by inside, actually by doing some surgery kind of thing from the inside of the brain. And these are both kind of actually EEG signals. They have actually different applications. So in this work, actually this our focus is mainly on surface EEG signals based automated detection of epileptic seizures. And we have used empirical wavelet transfer signal processing technique and random forest classifier, that is as a machine learning algorithm for automated diagnosis of epilepsy. So you can see actually in the slide in the bottom there is a human brain. It has 4 lobes, frontal lobe, parietal lobe, and temporal lobe, and occipital lobe. So these actually all these 4 lobes, they have different activities of the actually brain. So different brain is the master of the body, and whatever you do, so every part is actually responsible for the different set of activities. And these EEG signals corresponding to different regions channel.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm having one more request with Dr. Nagendra sir. At any point of time, if you feel I'm not audible or this internet connectivity is gone, please inform me.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Thank you. First of all, I would like to congratulate Dr. Nagendra and his team for organizing uh, FTP on artificial intelligence algorithms and application. I have seen the brochure and the idea behind this FDP is to concentrate on medical imaging. So my topic for today's presentation is application of computer vision, machine learning, and artificial intelligence techniques in medical and healthcare system. I hope many of you might be working in this area and you might have explored so many things also. Uh, I belongs to Parul University, so here is a glimpse of Parul University and take for our colleges as well as universities be here and be vibrant. Academic life is a juggling act. It involves research, teaching, applying for grants, writing scientific articles, doing peer review work, copywriting, and patents. Be it a private college or government college or IIT, NIT, or any good university, people will look forward for all these things. These are some of the features that is actually looked into any of the faculty member. Along with that, there is also student supervision and administrative tasks. Now, these are some of the occasions the FDP like this provides an opportunity to share my views with intellectual people like you, and it gives meaning to my work and even sparks new ideas for further research. Uh, the contents which I have taken in this presentation, be it text, image, video, and other such materials, they are taken from research papers, books, and various resources. And this presentation is only prepared for dissemination of the for academic research purpose and
Lecture to our participants, and I hope the uh, participants will definitely get the enlightenment or the knowledge through this lecture. Welcome, Dr. Amrish Misra, and now I request you to carry on or proceed with your lecture session.
Thank you very much, sir. Is my screen visible to everyone?
Yeah, it is visible.
Okay.
You can also say hi to
So,
Arvind there.
okay. Hello, Arvind, sir. So, good morning, Dr. Nagendra, Dr. Arvind, and organizing committee for this FDP and all the participants. So, this FDP is about the artificial intelligence and all. But my specialization is power electronics, so I will discuss the different applications of the power electronics, and along with that I will also discuss what are the different scope of application of artificial intelligence, because this fuzzy logic, neural network, all these things, they are the application point of view. Like this is a control application, wherever it is required there we can use it. So in the content, we will discuss some power electronic system. Everyone is aware about that, because in the domestic application also you can see how your with the time size of the equipment they are getting reduced just due to development in the area of power electronics. Then we will see what is the need of power electronics, means why it is evolved with the technological development. Then what are the different applications? Application means domestic application as well as the industrial applications. Then different converters. Then we will have a look at the drive system. Then introduction to the high voltage DC transmission. These are the basically application of power electronics where this can be used. Now, in this slide, if you will see the scope area for the power electronics development. On the top, you can see the power electronics in the transportation. You can easily see the locomotive for the Indian Railway. If they are operating with the electrical supply, then a sufficient amount of power electronics converter that will be required, because normally you are having a 25 kV supply, then you have to convert them into DC, then you have to use appropriate inverter for operating the three-phase induction motor they are connected to the wheels. So energy conversion means converting the energy from one form to another form. Sometime you are having the single phase, you need to convert to three phase, but the lower power application, you have to convert your supply to the DC power supply side. Heating and lighting control, everyone will be witnessing to this. In the last 5 years, you will find so many variety of the LED lights, different varieties, because previously we used to have the yellow color, that condensate bulb, then it came to picture with the CFL bulb, but nowadays these two bulbs are going to be absolute, and we are dealing with the mostly designed lightning system just because of power electronics. Renewable energy integration, renewable energy is also one of the most.
Therefore, let me start with talking on from where I come. Probably you have introduced me, right? This is from where I come, right? This is the place where I belong to, right? I'm a faculty member at Bhimanda Country Institute of Technology, currently heading the institution. Talking of my institute, right, we are a very old institution, right, 39 years old, with an average experience of faculty members somewhere around 15.44, which talks huge of the institute which where I work. Right, we have huge research grants, as pointed out by mine is very small compared to others. We have a lot of research grants, right? Different people are working in different areas. Therefore, I would be more than happy to share, right, our experience with any one of you with any of the fields which I have listed here. Then talking of grants, right, we have more than 3 crores of research grants at our institute. Talking of right, that's briefly of my from where I come and what we are, right. Now I'll be talking of, right, what is that one major disease or one major cause which is killing most of the Indians. And I'll be talking on the cardiovascular diseases because that's what I have highlighted. What are the imaging modalities? Specifically, I'll be talking of echocardiography, the various imaging views, the challenges which we have in these imaging views, and uh, how do we use AI, artificial intelligence, and machine learning in echocardiography. Then, probably, if time permits, I'll talk on processing and analysis of echocardiographic.
Okay, sir. My PPT is visible.
Yes, sir. It is visible. Its classification results PPT is visible.
Actually, I'm now, sir.
Yes, sir. It is fine, sir. Slide number 1. It is visible, sir. Completely visible.
So, the topic of my talk is feature extractions and classification of a brain signal. So, here basically what we'll do in my session, basically we'll discuss about what are the important term for a biomedical signals. and basic element of medical instrumentations, and then medical care systems and the type of medical data, which will be
That is the fuzzy system or the fuzzy control system, the applications of the fuzzy logic system. We will not deal much about the detailed concept of the fuzzy logic, just I will expose some brief applications that we can use in general. This is our college picture, the Puja Dodapapa College of Engineering. I will give a brief history of this artificial intelligence. In 1936 to 37, Allen Universal Turing machine was proposed. In this, machine learning or artificial intelligence or deep learning is not a new concept, but it was developed. We can say we can find the literature even in the year 1936 before. Allen's universal Turing machine was proposed in 1942 and 43. Warren McClough and Walter Pitts created the computational model for neural networks called the threshold. As we are already familiar, those who are already familiar with the neural networks, Warren McClough and Walter Pitts created the computational model, that is the neural network. In 1950, Turing test was proposed. In 1955, John McCarthy, founding father of artificial intelligence, has coined the word artificial intelligence. So we can say that John McCarthy was the first person to coin the term artificial intelligence. In 1957, the perception respected principal of our college, respected dean academic of our college, and another respected head of the department, and another coordinator of this institute, and my dear friends, colleagues, and participants. It is my privilege to do the pledge of this Friday activity that you have conducted. The 5-day FDP on artificial intelligence, algorithms, and applications has been conducted successfully by this EC department of media, Engineering College, Calgary, which is sponsored by AICT Atal, the AICT Teaching and Learning. The FDP was started on the 9th November 2020 at 10 a.m. Around 150 participants have been registered for this course all over the India. The inauguration was started with the message from Dr. Bima Shankar Lugundi sir, the president of our education society. The principal of our college, Dr. welcome all the participants and Dr. R.B. Pacholi, Professor IIT Indore, delivered the keynote address. The Vice Principal, Dr. Kalsakisar, Dean Academic, Dr. Siddharama Arpati, Head of the Department, Dr. Raju Yanar, took some of this occasion. I, Dr. Nagendra S. Program Coordinator, detailed and brief the scope of the activity. Dr. Sridhar A. Coordinated and Dr. Professor Rajkumar, when gave the vote of thanks on the first webinar. I will just do briefly whatever the events that took place day by day and session by session. On day 1, Dr. Arvind Kumar Yadav, Professor, Palol University, Vadodara, gave the presentation on application of computer vision, machine learning, artificial intelligence in the area of healthcare systems. The third session was taken by Dr. Ambarish Mishra, Assistant Professor from National Institute of Technology, Patna, in the areas of artificial intelligence in power electronics. On the second day, on day 2, Dr. Mohanji Kothar from the MBBSc grant discussed the fundamentals of neural networks, diagnosis, and applications. Dr. Yogesh Saria from the SPSIT Indore delivered talk on application of machine learning, and Dr. Arun Baloni, Professor, Atriya Institute of Engineering fifth day, that is the final day this today, Dr. Nagashekti Girala, Principal VKIT Kalki, delivered his expert talk on artificial intelligence and machine learning for echocardiographic image signal analysis. Dr. Yogi Yatindra Kumar, Professor, Govind Walwal College of Engineering, that Pauri Garwal, Uttarakhand, spoke on the feature extraction and classification of the brain signals. The last session, of course, was very brief, was taken by myself on the general applications of the budget logic. So, my particular, so on this occasion, again coming to the second slide and specify thanks on this occasion, I think my responsibility to convey my thanks to the people who have supported actively in this event. My particular thanks to Umar Moinuddin, Sweta, who have been working before that, we have successfully completed this INET FDP. On this occasion, it is my duty to express my heartfelt thanks to those who have been constantly supporting to organize these kind of events. At the outset, I thank our President, Vice President, and government members for their constant support and encouragement. I also thank Dr. S.S. Principal of our college, Dr. S.S. Kalketi, Vice Principal, and Dr. Siddharam R. Patil, sir, who are always supporting and motivate the faculty to do something new and conduct these kind of events in our department, particularly in our college. I also thank to Dr. R. sir, head of the department, who is always constantly helping us to carry out these kind of things. I also thank Professor Rajkumar Raivan, coordinator of this activity, for his full support in organizing this event. I also take this opportunity to thank Dr. Sridhar K, Professor C.D. Bogule, Professor Mirana Limpar, Professor Kanta, Professor Kamlesh Pawar, Professor Shamli Patil, Professor Rakesh Ved, Professor Pradeep, Professor Rahul, and so on. Our list is very big. All the faculty, all the faculties and friends who have directly and indirectly supported in organizing this event. My particular thanks to Moinuddin, Sweta, who have been working for smooth conduct of this event since 1 month. I also thank you, Dr. Baburao Sharikar, Professor, who helped immensely for advertising the event activities. I also thank the General Dukosi Deopa for the relentless support in organizing the events. I must also thank all the resource persons who have delivered their excellent lecture and discussions. More importantly, I am very thankful to all the participants who actively participated and discussion for these 5 days workshop. I am very thankful to ACT Atal for supporting financially. Once again, I thank the one and all on behalf of